So now for this question number 13, for each of the differential equation given in the exercise, we have to find the particular solution. What do you have to find? Find particular solution. So how to find particular solution? According to given values of x and y, according to given condition, we have to put the values in our general solution. So you will get particular solution. So same method is there. So let's start with question number 13. Question number 13. Here dy by dx plus 2y 10x equal to sin x. Done? स्टूडेंट्स आवाज आ रही है मेरी? Okay, y equal to 0 when x is pi by 3. Y equal to 0 when x is pi by 3. Done? So for this equation, we have to check whether it is first order linear differential equation or not. So we can say that this given equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q form. That is our form number 1. Done? So by comparing the given equation with the standard form, we are getting the value of p. What is the value of p? Therefore, value of p is 210x, and value of q is sin x. So now we can find the integration constant. Sorry, integration factor. Equation formula is e raised to integration of p dx. So this is equal to e raised to integration of p. P is 210x, 2 constant, 210x dx. So what is the integration of 10x? Integration of 10x is log sin x, log mod sec x. Log sec x is there. So it's e raised to 2 log mod sec x. Done. So these two will go into the power. So it's a log sec square x. So integration factor is e raised to log sec square x, and base e is there. So this is equal to sec square x. नहीं ये है equal to sec square x. Done. So integration factor is sec square x. स्टूडेंट सर मेरा आईडी चेंज हो गया है, देखा किसी ने? अच्छा कहीं अपडेट आवेલું લાગે છે. अच्छा अपडेट માં આવી ગયું છે, अपडेट મારો. Integration factor is sec square x. Done. So now our solution is y into integration factor sec square x, y into sec square x equal to integration of p, integration of q into integration factor. Q is sin x into sec square x dx plus c. Done. Now we have to consider integration of this sin x into sec square x. So this one is y sec square x, and this one is, can we write this one as a sin x upon cos square x? dx plus c. एग्जाम में आपको डायरेक्ट कर देना है. That will be 10x sec x. So it's a y sec square x equal to integration of 10x into sec x. So what is the integration of sec x 10x? Integration of sec x 10x is sec x. So our solution is general solution y into sec square x equal to sec x plus c. This is general solution. This is the general solution. Question is find particular solution, and hence we have to put given conditions. So putting y equal to 0, x equal to pi by 3. So y is 0, this will be 0, sec pi by 3. Sec pi by 3 is 2. So 0 equal to 2c, 2 plus c. And hence we are getting c equal to minus 2. This is the value of arbitrary constant. We have to put this arbitrary constant in our general solution. And hence we are getting our particular solution. So our answer is particular solution. Particular solution is y sec square x equal to sec x minus 2. डन. दिस इज दी पर्टिकुलर सॉल्यूशन. अभी आपको इसके आगे और सिंप्लीफाई करना हो तो कर सकते हो, है ना. y के फॉर्म में लाना है तो ला सकते हो. sec square x से डिवाइड करो तो क्या होगा, इट विल बी y sec x अपॉन sec square x, 1 अपॉन sec x, 1 अपॉन sec x इज cos x माइनस 2, 1 अपॉन sec square x न्यूमरेटर में आएगा तो cos square x. डन. अभी इसके आगे नहीं जाएगा. तो दिस इज आवर required solution, which is required solution. Done. Same method, but you have to put the values of given conditions. You will get the particular solution. So this is your question number 13. Now next question. Question number 14. So 14 question is, given equation is 1 plus x square dy by dx plus 2xy equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square. So first you have to derive the standard form. So here dividing this equation is 1 plus x square, and hence we are getting, also we have to mention the condition. Conditions are given in equation. Y equal to 0, value of y is 0 when we are putting x equal to 1. Done. This you have to mention. So now dividing this equation with 1 plus x square, and therefore we are getting dy by dx plus 2xy upon 1 plus x square equal to, this will be 1 upon 1 plus x square था और उसको एक बार और डिवाइड किया तो स्क्वायर हो गया, 1 plus x square raised to 2. Done. So compare this equation with dy by dx plus py equal to q. This is our form number 1. Form number 1. And hence we are getting the value of p and q. So what is the value of p? P is y का कोफिशिएंट 2x upon 1 plus x square. 2x upon 1 plus x square. This is the value of p. And q is 1 upon 1 plus x square का 2 power. Values of p and q. So now we can find the integration factor. Integration factor formula. Integration factor is e raised to integration of p dx. This is equal to e raised to integration of p 2x upon 1 plus x square dx. Done. So here if we consider this denominator as a t, so we are getting denominator as a 2x dt and 2x dx equal to dt. So integration of this one is nothing but the e raised to log mod 1 plus x square. Done. 1 plus x square. So 1 is positive, x square की value भी positive आएगी, so we can eliminate this mod. So this one is 1 plus x square. Then integration factor is 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square. And hence our solution So formula to write the solution, it's a y into integration factor. Integration factor is 1 plus x square. So y into 1 plus x square equal to integration of q into integration factor. Q is 1 upon 1 plus x square into integration factor, which is 1 plus x square dx plus c. So one power will be cut. So this one is nothing but the y into 1 plus x square equal to integration of 1 upon 1 plus x square, 1 upon 1 1 upon 1 plus x square dx plus c. So what is the integration of this 1 plus x square? A square plus x square, 1 upon a tan inverse x by a. It's a y 1 plus x square equal to, this one is tan inverse x plus c, tan inverse x plus c. This is our general solution. This is our general solution. To find the particular solution, put the conditions. So putting y equal to 0 and x equal to 1. So y equal to 0 put करेंगे तो क्या होगा? This will be 0. This will be tan inverse 1 plus c. Tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पर ले जाएंगे तो माइनस पाई बाई 4. तो c equal to minus pi by 4 is the value of arbitrary constant, and hence we are getting our particular solution. So now required particular solution is, और आंसर क्या होगा? y into 1 plus x square equal to tan inverse x. C, value of c is minus pi by 4. Done. So this is your answer. अब इसको आगे कोई सिंप्लीफिकेशन नहीं कर सकते हो. Done. This is our required answer. So now next question number 15. Clear? Rushiraj, Susal, Aryan. Very good. How many students? Okay. Question number 15. Okay. dy by dx. काय वांधो नहीं. Minus 3y cot x equal to sin 2x. dy by dx minus 3y cot x equal to sin 2x. Here condition is y equal to 2 when x is pi by 2. X is pi by 2. Done. So now given equation is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q. Again form number 1 is there, and hence we can write the value of p. P is coefficient of y minus 3 cot x. Minus 3 cot x. The value of q sin 2x. So now integration factor equal to e raised to p dx equal to e raised to p minus 3 cot x dx. Integration of cot x, log mod sin x, log sin x. So this is equal to e raised to minus 3 log mod sin x. अब ये 3 पावर को ऊपर ले जाए तो इट्स sin raised to minus 3. So this one is e raised to log sin x raised to minus 3. अब ये डिनोमिनेटर में आएगा और उसका फिर से न्यूमरेटर हो जाएगा, कोसेक हो जाएगा, कोसेक क्यूब एक्स और ई रेस टू लॉग ई। सो वी कैन डायरेक्टली राइट इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर एज ए क्या होगा, कोसेक रेस टू 3x। डन, माइनस पावर है 1 अपॉन साइन क्यूब एक्स, 1 अपॉन साइन क्यूब एक्स इज कोसेक क्यूब एक्स is the integration factor. So now solution is y into integrating factor if, y into cosec cube x equal to integration of q into if, q is sin 2x, sin 2x को ऐसे लिखे sin 2 sin x cos x, q into if cosec cube x, cosec cube x is nothing but the 1 upon sin cube x, so 1 upon sin cube x dx. Done. Sin x cut, so it's a cot x into cosec x. This will be cot x into cosec x. So here this one is y into cosec cube x equal to integration of sin cube x में से एक x गया तो cos x by sin square x है, तो cos के नीचे एक sin लिखो तो cot x होगा, cot x और एक sin रहेगा तो होगा cosec x dx plus c. So integration of cot x cosec x minus cosec x is there. So this will be y into cosec cube x equal to integration of cot x cosec x, ये टू था मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, तो इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ cot x cosec x is minus cosec x, so it's a minus 2 cosec x plus c, minus 2 cosec x plus c, cosec स्क्वायर से डिवाइड करो तो ये हो जाएगा y इक्वल टू cosec क्यूब x से डिवाइड करते हैं, दिस विल बी माइनस 2 अपॉन cosec क्यूब x, cosec स्क्वायर रहेगा दैट विल बी sin स्क्वायर x, so it's a sin square x plus c upon cosec cube x, so it's a sin cube x. Done. This is our general solution. Now here you have to put the condition, putting y equal to 2 and x equal to pi by 2. So y equal to 2 put करेंगे तो क्या होगा, this will be 2 equal to minus 2 sin square pi by 2 plus c sin cube x. Done. तो ये 1 हो जाएगा, ये भी 1 हो गया, sin pi by 2 1, so this will be 2 equal to minus 2 plus c, so c equal to 4. Done. So our general solution, put this in general solution, so require particular solution is putting the value of this arbitrary constant in our general solution. So this will be y equal to minus 2 sin square x plus c हमारा 4 हो गया, this will be 4 sin cube x. Done. This is the answer. Now question number 16. So for this question number 16, find the equation of curve passing through the origin. Given that the slope of the tangent to the curve is at the point xy, slope of tangent at the point xy is equal to the sum of the coordinates of the point. So what is the slope of the tangent at point xy? Here we can say slope of tangent at point xy is nothing but the dy by dx. It is given that slope of the tangent is equal to sum of the coordinates of the point. Coordinates of the points are x and y. with the x plus y. So this is given. Done. This is given. And the curve is passing through. Find the equation of curve passing through the origin. It's passing through origin. So this is condition passing through, we can say origin 0 0. So you have to put x equal to 0, y equal to 0 to get the particular solution. Simple. So this is in the form of dy by dx minus y equal to x. Done. So we're getting the value of p equal to minus 1 and q equal to x, and hence our integration factor if is e raised to integration of p dx equal to e raised to p minus 1 dx. This is equal to e raised to minus x. E raised to minus x is integration factor and solution. So now solution, what is the solution? Y into integration constant, integration factor y into e raised to minus x equal to integration of q into x into integration factor e raised to minus x dx plus c. Now we have to solve this one. So this can be solved by using integration by parts, Euler rule. Exponential will be v. This is our u and this exponential function will be v. So integration by parts is y into e raised to minus x equal to u as it is, integration of v, so e raised to minus x upon minus 1 minus integration of differentiation of x 1 and integration of v, which is minus 1 e raised to minus x upon minus 1 dx plus c. Take this minus sign in front of this integration. Again integrate this e raised to minus x. So it's a y into e raised to minus x equal to, this will be minus. So it's a minus x e raised to minus x. This is minus minus plus. Again integration of e raised to minus x dx plus c. So again this will be minus sign. So this one is y into e raised to minus x equal to minus x e raised to minus x minus e raised to minus x प्लस सी है ना. इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा e रेज टू माइनस एक्स अपॉन माइनस 1. सो माइनस 1 की साइन चेंज कर दी. डन. डिवाइड दिस इक्वेशन विथ e रेज टू माइनस एक्स. e रेज टू माइनस एक्स से डिवाइड करेंगे तो दिस विल बी y इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स माइनस 1 प्लस c और ये होगा e रेज टू एक्स. डन. तो इट्स y प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 और जनरल सॉल्यूशन इज y प्लस एक्स प्लस 1 इक्वल टू c e raised to x. This is general solution. Done. And this equation of curve, this curve is passing through origin. So putting x equal to 0, x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So x 0, y 0 put karo. So we are getting c equal to 1. C equal to 1. And hence our particular solution, the required particular solution is c equal to 1 put karo to hoga x plus y plus 1 equal to e raised to x. E raised to x is the answer. Clear, students? Very good. चलो अभी last question. So here question number 17. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point 0 2. Curve passing through, इसके पहले वाले में origin था. Here our curve is passing through point 0 2. Given that sum of the coordinate at any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope of the tangent to the curve at that point by 5. है ना. Sum of coordinate at any point is let xy. Done. So xy is any point. So slope of the tangent is, we can write slope of tangent. Slope of tangent at any point, suppose xy. So slope of tangent at point xy is dy by dx. है ना. पॉइंट हमने अज्यूम कर लिया xy, उस पर पॉइंट पर आ गया स्लोप dy by dx. अभी बोलो the sum of coordinate at any point. This is the coordinates xy. So according to our condition, slope of coordinates, so it's x plus y. So x plus y, the sum of the coordinate of any point on the curve exceeds the magnitude of the slope by phi. This one is exceeds by magnitude of slope by phi dy by dx, and hence we have to add phi in our magnitude of the slope. So this is given condition. Done. So can we write this one in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q? Yes. dy by dx minus y, taking this phi the left hand side, it's x minus y. Done. This is the given equation. So this one is in the form of dy by dx plus py equal to q, and hence our p is minus 1, p is minus 1, and q is x minus y. Done. So our integration factor e raised to p dx. This one is e raised to minus 1 dx. It's e raised to minus x. So our solution is y into integration factor e raised to minus x equal to integration of q into if. Q is x minus 5 and if is e raised to minus x dx plus c. Done. Again we have to solve this equation. This integration by parts. Say this one is a u, this one as a v. Integration by parts again. It's a y into e raised to minus x equal to integration by parts u as it is x minus 5 integration of v e raised to minus x upon minus 1 minus integration of differentiation of u is 1, and integration of v e raised to minus x upon minus 1 dx plus c. माइनस एंड बाहर ले लो तो ये क्या होगा, दिस वन इज y e raised to minus x, y into e raised to minus x minus x minus 5 minus x minus 5 e raised to minus x minus minus plus again इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ e raised to minus x, तो अगेन माइनस हो जाएगा, बाद में लिखते हैं e raised to minus x dx plus c, and therefore this one is y into e raised to minus x equal to minus x minus 5 e raised to minus x, and this one is minus e raised to minus x plus c. Again dividing this equation with e raised to minus x, so this e raised to minus x will be eliminated. So it's a y equal to minus x minus 5 minus this will be 1 plus dividing this c with e raised to minus x, so it's a c e raised to plus x हो जाएगा है ना, डिनोमिनेटर में से ऊपर आएगा तो प्लस हो जाएगा. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करो, इट्स y इक्वल टू माइनस एक्स प्लस 5 minus 1 plus c e raised to x. So our general solution is x plus y minus 4 equal to c e raised to x. This is general solution. Now to find the particular solution, we have to put the condition. Given curve is passing through 0, 2, and hence putting x equal to 0, y equal to 2. x equal to 0, y equal to 2 पुट करें तो क्या होगा, 0, 2 minus 4 equal to c, and hence c equal to minus 2 is the value of arbitrary constant, and hence our particular solution is put c equal to minus 2 over here. It's x plus y minus 4 equal to minus 2 e raised to x is required solution. Clear students? So this is your question number 17. थोड़ा टाइम है तो MCQs भी देख लेते हैं. Question number 18. So here you have to find the integration factor of the given equation. Simple. X dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square. इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर निकालना हो तो p की वैल्यू चाहिए. Divide this equation with x. So it's a dy by dx minus y by x equal to 2x. Compare this equation with standard form. Dy by dx plus py equal to q, and hence our p is minus 1 by x and q is 2x. Done. So value of p is there, so we can find the integration factor if, and hence if is e raised to integration of p dx. This is equal to e raised to minus 1 upon x dx, and hence it is equal to e raised to minus integration of 1 upon x log mod x. So this will be equal to e raised to log 1 upon x base e, and that is equal to 1 upon x, which is option number C. C is the answer. Done. Last MCQ, 19 number. So here 19 number. Again, integration factor of equation 1 minus y square dx by dy. देखो ये फॉर्म 2 आ गया शायद. dx by dy plus yx equal to ay. Dividing this equation is 1 minus y square. So we are getting dx by dy plus yx upon 1 minus y square equal to ay upon 1 minus y square. So this is our form 2. So compare this equation with form 2, dx by dy plus px equal to q. This is our form 2 of first order linear differential equation. Done. So here value of p is coefficient of this x, hence p is y upon 1 minus y square, and q is ay upon 1 minus y square. Done. हमें तो ये p चाहिए इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर के लिए. So what is the value of integration factor? It's e raised to integration of p. Here integration is with respect to y, so dy होगा. So this is equal to e raised to p y upon 1 minus y square dy. So 1 minus y square डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे तो minus 2y होगा. So minus 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करें, तो दिस इज इक्वल टू, यहाँ पर लिखता हूँ e रेस टू minus 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड करो, ये होगा minus 2y माइनस अपॉन 1 minus y square dy. तो डिनोमिनेटर को t एज्यूम करो तो न्यूमरेटर आ जाएगा. तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन होगा e रेस टू माइनस 1/2 log mod 1 minus y square. 1/2 पावर को ऊपर ले लो, नेगेटिव पावर और स्क्वायर रूट हो जाएगा, और ये log का पावर है. तो दिस इज इक्वल टू e रेस टू log 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर होगा. डन. और ये बेस e है, तो इसको लिखेंगे 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर इज द वैल्यू ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर. डन. इंटीग्रेशन फैक्टर इज 1 अपॉन स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 1 माइनस वाई स्क्वायर. कौन सा ऑप्शन है? ऑप्शन नंबर डी इज द आंसर.